Hello students, welcome to the Prakashan Academy Maharashtra and I am your teacher Smita. Today we are learning for standard 3rd. Subject is English and our part is part B. Okay, and see unit is 2nd. Now pay attention over here, we are starting for unit 2. Over here, what is the unit 2? Our unit is meaningful paragraph. Meaningful paragraph. Okay. So, what is the meaning of this sentence? Meaningful paragraph means there is something specific mean of words that is explaining something about the paragraph. That is meaningful paragraph. Understood? Now see, we will look in detail. Okay. Now see over here what we have talking about meaningful paragraph. Okay, so understand a meaningful paragraph is a small group of sentence. A meaningful paragraph is a group of small sentence. Okay, that all talk about one main idea. Talking about one main idea, and it gives us a clear and useful information about a topic. Main motto of meaningful paragraph is to give a clear and useful information. Giving a clear and useful information. Okay, topic. About topic. Each sentence in the paragraph should connect to the main idea and make it easy to understand. Simple. See, it is to provide the information. Okay, about the topic. Each sentence is in the paragraph should connect to the main topic and make it easy to understand. See, now I am talking about the school, and in the between, if I write a sentence about the dance or any another activity, or I am talking about the study right now. Okay, and in the mid I add a sentence about the dance activity. Is it right? Is this topic related sentence, or it is giving the proper information about the study? No. So while talking about or writing about the meaningful paragraph, you should contain the words and the sentences related to the topic. See, in school, you write an essay, right? Essay writing, everyone knows essay writing? Yes. If you are writing an essay about the who is a great leader. Okay. And between you add another sentence which is not relevant. Is this completed, or is this will be okay or right answer? No. So as simple as if you are writing about a meaningful paragraph, you should write a correct sentence related to topic. Okay, it should be not irrelevant. It should be relevant to the topic. So it can be connect to the meaningful paragraph. Understood? Now see, next is explanation about the meaningful paragraph. Now see, I have given here one example. Example for meaningful paragraph. Pay attention students over here. My pet dog. What is the topic? My pet dog. I have a pet dog named Bruno. See, what is the first sentence? First sentence is I have a pet dog named Bruno. Bruno is the name of a dog. He is brown in color and his have a fluffy tail. He is brown in color and have a fluffy tail. He loves to play with a ball and run very fast. Bruno sleeps in a small bed near mine. I take care of him and give him food every day. I love my pet very much. Okay, what you students understand while reading this paragraph? See, over here we are talking about, see, this is an essay topic. Do you understand what I am talking about? See what I say. This is something about essay writing. See, meaningful paragraph is an example of essay writing. So how? So we have one topic and the topic name is my pet. Understood? What is our topic name? See over here. I write topic name. Topic name is my pet dog. Okay, and I am writing the information about my pet dog over here. So what is the information, students? Information is I have a pet dog named Bruno. See, he is brown in color and has a fluffy tail. He loves to play with a ball and run very fast. Bruno sleeps in a small bed near mine. I take care of him and I give him food every day. I love my pet very much. Okay, now see, next is my best friend. Okay, I have a best friend named Ria. I have a best friend. So now we are talking about best friend. This is a second topic. Okay, this is the second topic. And what is the topic name? My best friend. Okay, I have a best friend named Ria. She is kind and helpful. We go to the same school and sit together in class. Ria helps me with my homework and share her lunch with me. We play games and laugh a lot. I feel happy when I am with her. A good friend is treasure. I am lucky to have Ria as my best friend. Okay, about this, what we have an information? We have an information about best friend. And who is my best friend? My best friend is Ria. She is kind and helpful. Okay, we go to the same school and sit together in class. Ria helps me with my homework and share her lunch with me. We play games and laugh a lot. I feel happy when I am with her. A good friend is a treasure. Treasure means khazana. Okay. I am lucky to have Ria as my best friend. Okay, students. Now, what we understand from the above topic, we are talking for best friend and her qualities. Why she is good? Because she is kind and helpful. Okay. Now see key points. We will talk about the key points. All sentences talk about the same topic. What is the main motto of the meaningful paragraph? That is, all sentences talk about same topic. Sentences are connected and make sense. See, if I am talking about the sentences, they should be connected and making sense. I give a complete stuff. It is easy to read and understand. Okay. Now see, we will have the MCQ over here on meaningful paragraph. What is a paragraph? See, over here, option A, B, C and D. Which option is correct, students? We will understand that first. Okay, over here, a word, a group of letters, a group of sentence or a question. What is meaningful paragraph? Over here, what is paragraph? Meaning, we are talking about meaningful paragraph. Pay attention, students, over here now. See what is our correct answer. It is a word. Meaningful paragraph contain only a single word? No. It has a group of letters. Only letters are there in a one meaningful paragraph or a paragraph? No, students. A group of sentence or a question giving the see XYZ over here. If I write over here XYZ and a sentence, is it only containing this? No. What it contains then, students? It contains a group of sentence. So option C is the correct answer. Which option is correct? A group of sentence. This option. Option number C is correct. Okay? Understood? Now, pay attention over here again. Next. Which should all sentence in a paragraph talk about? What should all sentence in a paragraph talk about? Different topic, the same main idea, rhyming words, maths problem. So, what is the answer? What is the answer, students? A different topic is making sense? No. The same main idea, rhyming words, ending with the same sound? No. Maths problem? No. So, what is the option? Option is the main idea. The same main idea is the correct option. So option B is the right choice. Perfect answer. Now see. Over here. See. Everyone can see this? Able to see my questions? Okay. Now, perfect. See. We are writing over here. Option A, B, C, D. Which is perfect answer? Student, read. Which one is a good title for a paragraph about school picnic? Now you have to think about it. See, my dog is talking about picnic. No. My favorite food. Option C is what? Our day at the zoo. Or our school picnic. Is this right option? My dog, my favorite food, are they at the zoo or our school picnic? Which one is the right? See, I am standing over here. Are you able to see this? Yes. Which one is correct then? Which one is correct? Option D is correct. Very good. Why D? Why option D is correct? See, what is the idea we have? A good title for a paragraph about a school picnic. So do we have option about the school picnic? Yes, we do. So what is that? Option D. So what we will do? We will highlight the option D over here. Why do we write paragraph? See, why do we write paragraphs? Why? To ask question, to tell jokes, to share idea and stories, to draw picture. While writing, do we draw a picture? No. To ask a question? No. To tell jokes? No. To share idea or stories. So option C is the perfect match. So what we will do? We will highlight this. Okay? Understand how to pick perfect answer. Don't get confused while making the choice. Okay? Now see. Now we have an option. Four option. Okay? A, B, C, D. Okay. We have to highlight right answer. Which one is right over here? What makes a paragraph meaningful? What does a paragraph make meaningful? It's funny. It has long words. It has long words. It has connected sentence. It's only one sentence. See over here. We have a paragraph. Does we have only one sentence? Is this something funny? No. So it has a long word? No. It has connected sentences? Yes, it has connected sentences. So what we will do? Highlight our option C. Okay? Understand? Now, which of this is not a good paragraph topic? My birthday, a rainbow, a train ride, blue red table. Which one is the correct option? Is not good paragraph topic. See, over here, my birthday, we can say, today is my birthday, and we can make a sentences or we can make a meaningful paragraph on this topic. And we can make a topic also for a rainbow. Everyone knows the rainbow, which contains 7 colors. A train ride, it's talking about the journey. We can write on this also a meaningful paragraph. Only blue red table, can we write? Yes or no? No. So what is our option? What we question have? Not good paragraph. So answer is blue red table. So what we will do over here? We will highlight the option D over here. Why? Blue red table. Okay. Understand how to choose the perfect one? Now see, next is about what is the first sentence in a paragraph usually used. Usually, which is the first sentence in a paragraph usually called? So option A, B, C and D. We will highlight the perfect one over here. Okay. C. Funny line. No. Title, opening sentence, ending sentence. So in the option we have an idea about the option C. Okay. Which sentence is the best for a paragraph about a pet call? C. Which sentence is the best for paragraph about a pet call? My C. Option A. I like to eat pizza. It's talking about pet. No. My cat sleeps on the sofa. Or there are 7 continents. I went to the market. Which one is right option? Option B is right. Why? My cat sleeps on the sofa. So what we have asked over here? We have asked about the pet cat over here. Right? So which option we will take? Option B we will highlight. Understood? How to write? C. Again MCQ. You have to pay attention over here. Okay. How many ideas should be in a meaningful paragraph? How many ideas should be in a meaningful paragraph? Okay. Option A, B, C and D. How many ideas should be in a meaningful paragraph? Many different ideas, just one main idea, not idea at all, only questions. Which option is perfect? Dear students, please let me know which option is right. See, option A is many different idea. We are taking in a meaningful paragraph. We are adding about the school also, adding the pet also, adding the my school trip also over here. And again we will add about our train journey also over here. Are we able to understand about the meaningful paragraph like this way? Not at all. So, is this option is right? No, we will take another, just one main idea. Okay, we feel this is the right answer, but still we don't stop on it. We read the below also. Okay, no idea at all. Is this useful for writing meaningful paragraph? No, only questions. No, what is the idea? Should be in a meaningful paragraph. Just one main idea is the perfect answer. Option B is the correct answer. Understood? Again, we will talk about what helps a paragraph make sense. Long and hard words, random facts, sentences in the right order, pictures only. What is the correct option? Option C. Sentence in the right order. Now you understand what is the meaningful paragraph now. Okay. Now try to solve it your own. Thank you so much. Okay.